For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Flipping products, buying low and selling high, is a classic business model that's accessible, profitable, and now easier than ever thanks to AI. Whether you want to flip items from garage sales, thrift stores, liquidation pallets, or online marketplaces, artificial intelligence can help you at every stage, from finding trending products to optimizing listings and automating customer service. Below is a step-by-step guide to starting your own product flipping business using the power of AI. Step 1. Understand what product flipping is. Before diving in, understand the fundamentals of product flipping. It involves buying products at a low price, usually undervalued or secondhand, improving them optional, reselling them at a profit. Common product sources: garage sales, thrift stores, e.g. Goodwill, estate sales, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay auctions, Amazon liquidation pallets, retail arbitrage, clearance deals at major retailers. AI's role: AI can help analyze which categories have high ROI and demand, reducing your guesswork. Step 2. Use AI tools to identify profitable niches. Instead of randomly buying products, use AI to discover what's in demand. Tools to use: Google Trends. Use AI-powered trend analysis to find what's hot. ChatGPT or Claude. Ask for product niches with growing demand. Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for Amazon flipping. AI-powered tools to analyze sales data and pricing trends. TerraPeak by eBay helps identify top-selling products and ideal pricing using historical sales data. What to look for: products under $50 that can resell for at least 2-3x the purchase price. Small and light to save on shipping. High demand with low competition. Step 3. Source your products smarter with AI. Once you know what to sell, it's time to find inventory. Use AI to automate product sourcing. Use platforms like FlipMine or BuyBot Pro, which scan online marketplaces and identify profitable flipping opportunities using AI. Track deals and price drops. Tools like Camel for Amazon or Honey can alert you to price drops on products you want to flip. Step 4. Evaluate product profitability. Don't buy anything without knowing the potential profit. Use these AI-supported calculators. Profit Bandit for Amazon. Scan a barcode and get instant ROI and sales rank analysis. SellerAmp offers a browser extension with AI-powered profitability estimates, including fees, shipping, and taxes. Pro tip: look for at least 30 to 50% profit margins after fees. Step 5. Create an online presence. You can flip products on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Mercury, Poshmark, or even your own Shopify store. Use AI to write product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to generate compelling, SEO-optimized product titles and bullet points. Auto-generate images. Tools like Remove.bg, Canva AI, and PixelCut can enhance or clean up product photos. Auto-translate. Want to sell internationally? Use AI translators like DeepL or Google Translate to localize your listings. Step 6. List your products efficiently. Use automation tools to batch upload listings and save time. Helpful tools: list perfectly or Vendu. Cross-post products across multiple platforms using AI-enhanced automation. PhotoRoom AI. Clean and edit product backgrounds instantly. AutoDS. Great for drop shipping, but also helpful for product management and automation. Step 7. Market your products with AI. If you want to scale, marketing is essential. Use AI for ad copywriting. ChatGPT or Jasper can write headlines and descriptions for Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Image and video creation. Canva, Lumen 5, or Pictory use AI to turn your product photos into professional promotional content. Email marketing. Tools like MailChimp or Brevo, formerly Sendinblue. Use AI to segment your audience and send personalized offers. Step 8. Automate customer service. AI can help you handle inquiries, returns, and reviews without staying glued to your screen 24/7. Use AI chatbots. Tidio or Chatfuel. Add these to your online store or Facebook page. eBay and Amazon's built-in tools automate responses to FAQs and shipping updates. You can also use ChatGPT to draft professional replies to negative feedback or complex questions. Step 9. Track finances and inventory with AI tools. To run a real business, track every dollar and every product. Use QuickBooks plus AI plugins for accounting and forecasting. Inventory Lab or Zoho Inventory. Manage stock and reordering using AI insights. Notion AI or Airtable. Create your own smart dashboard for tracking profits, sales, and product trends. Step 10. Scale your flipping business. Once you're making consistent profits, scale your business by outsourcing. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to hire help for listing, shipping, or customer service. Using AI for product research at scale. Subscribe to more robust tools like Keepa, Helium 10, or Zik Analytics. Private labeling or wholesale flipping. Source directly from manufacturers and sell under your own brand. AI can also help you identify what to scale based on trend analysis and predictive sales modeling. Bonus: AI-powered pricing strategy. Don't guess your pricing. Use AI to price competitively and profitably. Tools: Repricer Express or BCool. Automatically adjust your pricing on Amazon and eBay based on competition and sales velocity. ChatGPT plugin with pricing data. Ask for suggested price points based on product type and market trends. Final thoughts. AI has made flipping products more data-driven, automated, and accessible than ever. Here's a recap of how it helps. Find what sells with AI-powered trend analysis. Source products smarter using real-time deal tracking and product match tools. Analyze ROI before you buy. Create listings fast with AI copywriting and image editing. Automate customer service and marketing. Track and scale using AI dashboards and inventory tools. By combining the hustle of flipping with the precision and efficiency of AI, you can build a profitable, scalable business, even with limited capital. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.